Hello guys, it's me once again, Maki. Ini-invite ko kayo na mag-visit dito sa Cancoca Hills, which is situated in Kandihay, Bohol, guys. Super duper, you will love the place because of its scenic view, so quiet. If you need a moment of tranquility, this is a must-visit place for you para makapag-chill. This place is perfect for camping, guys, but you just have to bring your own stuff or food because malayo siya sa mga stores, and as of now they don't have any amenities there for your comfort. Kaya bring your own baon na lang para sure kasi malayo pa talaga sa stores. And then with regards to Google Map, medyo mislead kayo. It's because hindi pa talaga siya totally updated sa GPS, kaya you better ask people there. Pero hindi naman siya mahirap i-locate kasi nga it's very well known. You just have to follow whatever the locals will be saying to you. Okay guys?